नवयुग शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ चापोली, संजीवनी महाविद्यालय चापोली, affiliated by Swami Ramanathirt Marathwada University, Nanded. Good morning, the student of class BSc SY, subject Zoology. Name of the paper Comparative Anatomy and Physiology. Paper number 7th, semester 3rd, unit number 2nd. In this second topic is the nutrition. Today's topic is the physiology of protein digestion. Protein digestion presented by myself, Dr. Thorat Mandakini Manohar, Assistant Professor and HOD of Zoology Department. Yes, the student, in the last period we see the carbohydrate digestion. Generally, carbohydrate they are converted into the glucose molecule. Today we learn about protein digestion. Generally, protein they are converted into the amino acid. Then generally, in this process, also the digestion means the complex food material is converted into the simple food material. In the last period, we see the digestion process. There are also two types, intracellular, extracellular. Also we see that is the food they are made by the complex food material like the carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamin, etc. Generally, this process one by one we see. Yes, today we learn about the protein digestion. Generally, breakdown of protein into the amino acid is called the protein digestion. Protein is the third major source of energy for the animal. Generally, energy we get from the protein molecule. It also provides the energy to the organism, but actually it involved in the body building. Also, this protein is a building block substance which require in the adult about 0.5 to 0.8 gram per kg of body weight. Also, the dietary protein includes the albumin, globulin, globin, elastin, caseinogen, collagen, nucleoprotein, etc. These proteins are hydrolyzed into the amino acid. Generally, the protein is the important source of energy. In this, how this digestion process they are completed one by one we see. First is the place of protein digestion. In which place that is the protein digestion is completed. Generally, protein digestion process is completed in the stomach and intestine. Alimentary canals part, that is the stomach and intestine part, but it does not occur in the buccal cavity. Generally, protein digestion process is completed in the stomach and intestine of alimentary canals part. Which glands they are involved in protein digestion? Generally, protein digestion takes place by the following digestive glands, that is the pancreatic gland, gastric glands and the intestinal glands. Enzymes. Which enzymes they are involved in the protein digestion? The enzymes responsible for the digestion of protein called as the protease or peptidase or proteolytic enzymes. It includes the following types of proteins enzymes, namely called pepsin, trypsin, chymotrypsin, carboxypeptidase, dipeptidase, renin. The different enzymes they are involved in the process of protein digestion. Then one by one we see how the process of protein digestion they are completed with the help of the different steps. Generally, during the protein digestion it splits into amino acid by step. So generally, protein digestion they are converted into amino acid with the help of step by step process. First of all, proteins are split into proteases. Proteases are split into peptones. Then peptones are split into polypeptide. Polypeptides are split into dipeptide. Dipeptide, finally dipeptides are split into amino acid. Generally, in the steps which are involved in the protein digestion, they are short. We see protein is converted into protease. Protease is converted into peptone. Peptone is converted into polypeptide. Polypeptide is converted into dipeptide. Dipeptide is converted into amino acid. Generally, they are completed with the help of the different enzymes. These are also the different enzymes which are essential for the protein digestion. One by one we see. First is the role of pepsin. Pepsin is a proteolytic enzyme which is secreted by gastric glands. It is also called, in these gastric glands, chief cell. It is also called as a chief cell. Generally, pepsin is a proteolytic enzyme which is secreted by the gastric glands which are found in the stomach. Gastric gland secretes in an inactive form. It is also called pepsinogen. Hydrochloric acid, they are also secreted by the parietal glands, parietal cells which are found in the stomach, which is also the secreted HCl, or also called hydrochloric acid, which activate the inactive enzyme like the pepsinogen and pepsinogene and pepsinogen into the pepsin. Pepsin act on native protein and converted into protease, peptones and polypeptides. Pepsin usually digests the protein up to the polypeptide formation. Generally, native protein, they are converted into protease plus peptone plus polypeptide. It is also completed. Native protein is converted into protease plus peptone plus polypeptide with the help of the enzyme. It is called pepsinogen and HCl. It also acts on the milk protein like the casein. It converts the casein into the protease, peptones and polypeptide. Pepsin act on native protein and convert into protease, peptones and polypeptide. Pepsin usually digests the protein up to the polypeptide formation. And also the following chemical reaction we see, that is the native protein, they are converted into the protease plus peptone plus polypeptide with the help of the enzymes pepsin, that is also called pepsinogen plus hydrochloric acid HCl. It also acts on the milk protein like the casein. It converted into the casein into the protease, peptones and polypeptide. That is also the casein plus calcium. With the help of the enzymes pepsins, that is also they are converted calcium para casein, that is called curd. Generally we also see milk is converted into the curd with the help of the enzymes pepsins. Polypeptide, protease, peptones, calcium paracasein convert into the protease, peptone and polypeptide. Second is the role of, first is completed pepsin, then second is the enzyme trypsin. Role of trypsin. Trypsin is secreted by the pancreatic glands which are found in the digestive glands, pancreas. It is the proteolytic enzymes. First, it is secreted in inactive form called the trypsinogen. These inactivated enzymes like the trypsinogen activated by another enzyme called the enterokinase. This activated enzyme called as trypsin convert the proteins into the protease, peptones, polypeptide and dipeptide. It used to digest the protein up to the disaccharide. Native protein is converted into the protease with the help of the enzyme trypsin. Protease is converted into peptones. Peptone is converted into polypeptide. Polypeptide is converted into the dipeptide. This process is completed with the help of the enzyme. It is called a trypsin. That is, the trypsin is the important part. This. Then chymotrypsin. Next enzyme is the chymotrypsin. Role of chymotrypsin. It is also the proteolytic enzymes which is secreted by the pancreas. It is secreted in inactive form called as the chymotrypsinogen. It is the inactivated by the enzyme trypsin. Its action is similar to that of trypsin. It used to act on native protein and convert them into protease, peptones, polypeptide, dipeptide. Chymotrypsin also act on the milk protein and also the role of carboxypeptones. Next enzyme is the carboxypeptidase. It is also the role of carboxypeptidase enzyme. It is usually act on polypeptide, is also the proteolytic enzymes which is secreted by the pancreas. It cannot act on protein. It also act on protease, peptones and polypeptides and converting them into dipeptides and amino acid. Especially it act on carboxylic end of polypeptide chain. That why it is called as carboxypeptidase. Protease is converted into the peptones. Peptone is converted into the polypeptide. Polypeptide is converted into the dipeptides and amino acid. Next is enzyme is the aminopeptidase. It is also called proteolytic enzymes which is also secreted by the pancreatic glands or it is called pancreas. It is also act on the enzyme protease, peptones and polypeptides converting them into dipeptides and amino acid. Especially it act on amino end of polypeptide chain. Next enzyme is called role of dipeptidase. It is also the pancreatic enzyme act only the dipeptides. Dipeptides convert into amino acid. Dipeptide is converted into amino acid with the help of the enzyme dipeptidase. Next is the digestion of milk. How the milk process is completed? Generally milk is digested by the enzyme renin and chymotrypsin. Renin is secreted by gastric gland and chymotrypsin is secreted by pancreatic glands. These enzymes bring about coagulation of milk. This process is called curding of the milk. Renin act on the casein milk protein convert into the paracasein. The paracasein combine with calcium to form the calcium paracasein. Then calcium paracasein convert into protease, peptone and polypeptides. Likewise, the milk digestion they takes place in the stomach and intestine. Thus, goodbye the student. In this period, we see the physiology of protein digestion.